Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can find Instagram friends on Threads. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So first of all, open up your Threads application and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will be redirected to its timeline page of your Threads account. You can go to the search section present in the bottom tray and then search for your friends individually. But if you want all of your friends in one place, then what you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then on your profile page, tap on followers section present beneath the username. Here you will be able to manage all of your followers, and if you swipe left, you will be able to see your following accounts. Now just tap on see all button present at the end of the top statement. All of your accounts that you are follow on Instagram will start to appear in front of you. Simply add the account you want, and after you are done, tap on done. And that's how you can find Instagram friends on Threads. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.